What surprised you or made you the most proud about your students this year?
And we had their parents speak to us, even the parents and other students say, like, thank you for giving me the opportunity to find my voice.
It gave the students an opportunity to show how in touch they were with their community, and being a voice for that community.
They took the initiative, right, to sit down, come every single meeting. They were committed to the process, but you could just see that little spark in their head, and
how actively they involved they were, how well versed they were with what was going on in society and around them.
It kind of went from being something we have to get done to something they started building passion for.
What was your experience at the state conference last year? How was it for your students?
One of my students said out of his whole 4 years of high school, it was the best experience he ever had.
And the way the students' faces lit up from the moment they saw the Capitol to every new space we entered just seemed to fill them with more wonder and purpose.
just right off the bat, as soon as we got down the bus, they were already astonished by the whole architecture. They had never been there before. Some of them even had mentioned like the idea of working at the Capitol after they graduated. So I'm like, okay, like it definitely left an impact on them.
I mean, Austin's always super fun, and for a lot of the kids, it was like their first time being there, and so it was really neat for them to be able to see how the gears of politics work, at least on a foundational level.
And it really became something on paper that they were making, and it became a concrete experience for them